A 40-question quiz to challenge your English knowledge. Think you're advanced? Let's see. What does stick to your guns mean? Answer C. Stay firm. What does keep your ear to the ground mean? Answer D. Stay informed. Which is a synonym of behind? Answer A. Back. Choose a synonym for repeat. Answer B. Redo. What is the antonym of breach? Answer D. Compliance. Opposite of contrite. Answer C. Unrepentant. Choose the correct plural form of agency. Answer A. Agencies. What is the plural form of cemetery? Answer D. Cemeteries. What word best completes the sentence? Answer A. Having no other option, they agreed. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B. Were it simpler, we could solve the problem faster. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D. He said he had bought the tickets already. Form the past simple of chide. Answer B. Chided. What is the past simple form of outrun? Answer D. Outran. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Remarkable. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Accurately. Find the correct spelling. Answer B. Clarification. Pick the opposite of adjourn. Answer C. Continue. What is the opposite of appraise? Answer A. Underestimate. Opposite of calibrate. Answer A. Miscalibrate. Which is a synonym of red? Answer C. Crimson. Choose a synonym for return. Answer B. Come back. What word is closest to sad? Answer A. Dejected. What does keep a stiff upper lip mean? Answer B. Stoic. What does go down like a lead balloon mean? Answer D. Be unpopular. What does be out of sorts mean? Answer A. Feel unwell. Form the past simple of swell. Answer C. Swelled. Choose the correct past form of dig. Answer D. Dug. What is the past tense of cling? Answer C. Clung. What is the past simple form of mow? Answer B. Mowed. Choose the correct plural form of territory. Answer A. Territories. What is the correct plural of liability? Answer C. Liabilities. Choose the correct plural form of directory. Answer A. Directories. What is the plural of temporary? Answer D. Temporaries. Fill the gap. Answer C. How many people attended the seminar? Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. Her ingenuity in solving puzzles impressed the teacher. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D. The viability of the plan was questioned by experts. Almost there, just 4 questions left. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Dependence. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Resulting. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Completely. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A. Neutralize. How many did you get? What was the hardest one? Leave a comment and subscribe.